Hey everyone, this is Jay Lewis back in the house with another video. And today we'll be looking at the Sevenoak 2.4 gigahertz wireless microphone system, ideal for streaming, content creation, mobile journalism, and more. This is the product right here. It's called the model number is SKM-S2. And this is a wireless lavalier microphone setup. So now that being said, let's get into what we came here to get into.
Boner. Let's go. Get excited about tech.
Let's get this unboxed. Let's see what we have inside the box.
In the house.
Set that aside for now. So right here, this would be the mics and the receiver. So we're going to have a receiver and two microphones. I'm not going to open that yet. Let's see what else we have inside the box. We have a nice little carrying case. Now what you will need is a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So whatever phone or camera or device you have, it could be used with a DSLR camera, cell phone camcorders. So we have several setups. We also have USB-A to USB-C. I guess that'll be used for charging the devices. And we have 3 USB-A to USB-C. So that's to charge both microphones and the receivers. And these also have clip-on, so you can clip it on your clothing. Let me see if we can get in there. We have volume, we have a power button and volume up and down. Again, USB-C, 3.0 headphone jack. This must be the receiver because I have the channels on it. And another microphone. So inside the box, you have 2 microphones, receivers. You have 2 3.5 millimeter jacks. We also have 2 USB-A to USB-C chargers. And of course, we have some directions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get these charged up and set up. I'm going to use it on a couple of devices. I'm going to try to use it on the smartphone. I'm going to try to use it on my Canon SL2 and give you the sound quality with the microphones and without the microphones. And I'll be right back. We're on the back end, and I have all the mics and the receiver charged up. But before I start using the microphones, I wanted you to get a comparison on the way the sounds with the mics versus without the mics. So right now you're hearing the audio directly from my Canon SLR2. And another thing I want to show you, the microphones are really small, And just to give you a comparison on the size, I have a quarter, and that's just to give you an idea of the size. They're very small. The microphone has a clip to clip onto your clothing. It also has, this is the microphone, and it also has an attachment if you have another lavalier mic that you wanted to plug in, so the audio wouldn't be coming just from the microphone being on your shirt. So now again, this is the sound of the audio coming directly from my camera. So next, I just wanted you to know where the audio is going to come from. I have a Comica boom microphone. I'm going to let you hear the audio from the Comica boom microphone next. Okay, everyone. So I'll let you hear the sound, the audio coming directly from the camera. Now, right now, you're hearing the audio from my Comica boom mic. So just let me know how the audio sounds. I've used this before, and I used it during vlogs and things of that nature. So again, let me know how the audio sounds. This is the audio coming directly from my Comica boom mic. Next, I'm going to actually use the Sevenoak wireless lavalier mics, and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, I'm back. I have the Sevenoak wireless lavalier microphone and receiver hooked up. And first of all, I have to say, pairing was very simple. I just had to turn on the receiver, turn on the microphone. The pairing was quick. There's a couple of things I wanted to mention in regards to the microphone. I really like the size. The size is very small, and just to give you a comparison, this is a quarter, and the size is very small, which I really like. On the receiver, there's a mono and stereo slider. There's also, on the microphones, this is the microphone, and right here, you can plug in another wired lavalier mic, so you can have a little more motion. And I have the other microphone right here. It has a little feather thing on it to cut down on the noise distortion. So you guys let me know what it sounds like. I haven't listened to anything as of yet. You're getting to hear the sound firsthand just with me. I really like the simplicity of the microphone. You just turn on the power of the mic, turn on the power on the receiver. There's also a volume up and down rocker. So I have the volume up to the highest level. There's also a button for noise canceling. I have noise canceling on. Right now I'm in a room. I don't have any other sounds in the background, so I don't know how good the noise canceling is, but you'll know by the quality of the sound. I purchased this product on Amazon for $149. I think right now that's a good price, especially if the sound is as good as I believe it may be. I have to look at the video, but I want you guys to give me your opinion in regards to the sound coming directly out of the camera, the sound coming from my Comica boom mic, and the sound coming from the Sevenoak wireless lavalier mics. Again, Amazon, $149. I'll leave links in the description. Another thing I'd like to ask you would really help the channel. If you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon. Hitting that bell icon and that subscribe button is free. It's not going to cost you a thing. And I thank you for watching. And as always, get excited about tech. Peace.